Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be reviewing a video maker tool that we've been using lately called Fliki.ai. As content creators, we know how important it is to produce high-quality videos, and Fliki is a great tool that can help you do just that. The link to try Fliki absolutely for free is in the description. You can sign up using Google email, Facebook, LinkedIn, or any other email type. After signing up, you log into your dashboard. Then you can start making audio and video. To create videos and voiceover, select Files from left panel. Click on New File button. Enter the name of the file and select if you want audio or video. Hit Create. Then you end up with a script-based editor. Hit play on the section to see how it looks. Click on the voice name to create a different voice. Once satisfied, click Select. Here, you can filter by language, dialect, gender, or voice style. One of the things we love about Fliki is its versatility. Whether you have a blog post, a PowerPoint presentation, or just an idea, Fliki can turn it into an audio or video file. To convert idea to audio, click on Convert icon in the top right corner. Then on the drop-down, select Idea to Audio. Then, in Idea box, type in your idea. You have an option to choose a language and select a style. There are over 900 voices in 75 different languages. Choose whatever fits your needs so you can reach a wider audience. This also ensures that your content is accessible to everyone. Under Style drop-down option, you choose what suits your need. The style options are tutorial, explainer, motivational, informational, or marketing. Or you can leave the style in default setting. The length of the video can be short, medium, or long. Then you hit Submit and wait for your video to generate. After the video has been generated, you can change the voice or you can make a copy of your own voice. You can also play the audio. To convert blog to audio, click the Convert tab. Under the drop-down, select Blog to Audio. A box that says Import from URL opens up. You paste the link to the blog in there. Then you select the length of your audio. It can be short, medium, or full. Hit Submit and wait for the process. Add Media section by clicking on the thumbnail icon. Search for the image or video clip from the Stack library. You can also upload your own media. To convert PowerPoint to audio, click on the Convert tab. Under the drop-down, select PPT to audio and click on it. A box opens up and that's where you can upload PPT file. When the file is done uploading, click Submit and wait for the result. This allows you to convert PowerPoint presentation to audio with one click. To change video format, font style, size, color, and position, click on File Settings, select Add Subtitles, and customize based on your preference. Then hit Save. Highlight text to get options to increase speed, pitch of the voice, to pauses and pronunciation. If you have a particular word or acronym that you're unsure how to pronounce, you can simply input it into the map. Then Fliki will make sure that it's pronounced correctly in your audio. Click on More icon, then select Pronunciation Map. Here you can manage pronunciation of words, such as names and acronyms, to apply while generating audio for this audio. This ensures that your content is professional and polished. To add background music, click on More icon in the right-hand corner. Select Background Music. Pick background music and adjust its volume for the audio. Hit Choose File. You can search the media stack or upload your own music. Set the volume, then hit Save. Once you're happy with everything, hit the Export button. This process can take a while, so you'll get an email once the video is rendered. Fliki offers a range of plans to suit different budgets and needs. The basic plan is free, which includes 5 minutes of audio or video creation per month. You can upgrade to the premium plan, which gives you up to 600 minutes of audio-video creation time per month. We recommend the standard plan, which is very popular. It's a reasonable price for the value that Fliki.ai provides. Use the link in description to try Fliki for free. Overall, we highly recommend Fliki to any content creators looking for an easy-to-use video maker tool. Its versatility, pronunciation map, and voice cloning features make it stand out from other video maker tools on the market. With its affordable pricing plans, you can create high-quality videos without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. We will see you in the next video. Bye and take care.